Hi, my name is Jim Wright, and I'm the pastor here at Mountain Church, and so glad that you're interested in life groups. I love that we're gathering together in our homes throughout the city every week for a meal and just coming together as family, coming together as disciples and encouraging one another in our faith and being on mission in our community. The enemy has done everything he can to break down the walls in our city, to rob us of the reality of Jesus Christ. And part of our role as the church is to really rebuild, to go out and re-educate our community on who Jesus really is under the banner of love. And it reminds me of a story of Nehemiah. In the Old Testament, Nehemiah was taken from his homeland. He was pulled away. The walls of his city were broken down. And years later, he became the cupbearer to the king, their Persian king. And it was against all odds that the king would allow him to go back and begin to rally the troops and rebuild Jerusalem. But he prayed, Lord, give me success as I go out and begin to rebuild my city. And so he asked. And against all odds, the king said, sure, go. Matter of fact, I'll even write you letters and I'll send some troops with you to give you safe passage back to Jerusalem. And so he went back. And God was with him. And when he got back to Jerusalem, man, things were in total disarray. The walls were completely broken down. The city was in ruin. All of the people were hopeless and depressed. He came across people that were naysayers that were like, you can never do this. This is foolish. That guy Sanballat and Tobiah and Geshem the Arabian, and they came against him and they talked trash. This could never be done. But he rallied everybody together and he said, hey, in the name of God, we're moving forward and we're going to rebuild the walls that have been torn down. And one by one, the people gathered together and began to rebuild the walls of Jerusalem. And it was a monumental task that would take years, and yet they pressed on. And they went and eventually gathered all of the rubble and the stone, and they put it all back together, and they rebuilt and fortified the city. And as time went on, everybody was gathered together, the priests and all of the people, and there was great joy back in that city. And I believe that life groups are really what God is doing in our community in rebuilding and lifting up the name of Jesus. I believe that as we gather together in our homes throughout our community on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, as we gather and have meals together and pray for one another and pray for our city and are really on mission in rebuilding our city, that God is going to unleash a great revival within us and within our community. So I welcome you. Come and join us and get plugged into a life group.